everyone, my name is Vaniya. Today we're gonna make mini pizzas. For making mini pizzas, we're gonna need a lot of cheese and shrimps and tomato sauce and olives and bell pepper. You can use any topping if you would like, but I'm making my own one. The main thing to making pizza, we're gonna have pizza dough. Mini pizza dough. The first thing you need to do is wash your hands. Preheat your oven. Please check how to make my pizza dough on my mom's channel. I will link it below. So we're gonna add some flour. Now we're gonna take our dough. Flatten it a little. You see it, everyone? It's flat. Let's make it a circle a little bit. Now we're gonna roll it. You need to twist it too. Do all of them. So now we twist it. Now let's start adding toppings. Start with tomato sauce. We're gonna add cheese. Now we decorate the way you want. Let's make all these are ready. Ta-da! Look at this, everyone. Now they're ready to go in the oven. Our pizzas are ready now. Let's try them. He has hair. A silly hairstyle. It has one color here. It has hair. A flower. Now I'm gonna try them. This is the inside. So crispy and soft. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. See you later. Bye. Did you see these olives? Are they good? Now I'm gonna finish my pizza.